Today, we are going to test your skill in reading math sentences. You are asked to read twice, clearly, and pronounce them properly. After which, I will read the sentence but listen to them carefully how I pronounce the sentence. As a practice, you may record while reading them yourself and have them reviewed by someone to point any possible mistakes. Are you ready? This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging effective ang ating program, kailangan ng tulong ng mga magulang at mga ibang miyembro ng family. Item number 1. Kindly read the sentence twice. One plus 3 is equal to 4. I repeat, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Kindly read. Item number 2. Kindly read the sentence twice. Five plus 4 is equal to 9. I repeat, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Kindly read. Item number 3. Kindly read the sentence twice. Eight plus 2 is equal to 10. I repeat, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Kindly read. Item number 4. Kindly read the sentence twice. Seven plus 3 is equal to 10. I repeat, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Kindly read. Item number 5. Kindly read the sentence twice. Four plus 12 is equal to 16. I repeat, 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. Kindly read. Item number 6. Kindly read the sentence twice. One plus 14 is equal to 15. I repeat, 1 plus 14 is equal to 15. Kindly read. Item number 7. Kindly read the sentence twice. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. I repeat, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Kindly read. Item number 8. Kindly read the sentence twice. "12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Kindly read. Item number 9. Kindly read the sentence twice. "11 plus 4 is equal to 15. I repeat, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Kindly read. Item number 10. Kindly read the sentence twice. "5 plus 11 is equal to 16. I repeat, 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. Kindly read. Congratulations, kids! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.